Good morning, Ram Nation. My name is Jason Bebee, and this is Ram News. Today is National Face Your Fears Day, so go out there and man up. The trivia question for today is, who is Goofy's son? We want to give a massive thank you to RHS JROTC and IBCP students for cleaning up debris on campus this week following the hurricane. We really appreciate your work. Due to the hurricane, our homecoming dance has now been rescheduled to Saturday, November 5th from 7:30 to 11 p.m. Fortunately, all tickets previously purchased for the dance are still valid for this date, and ticket sales will resume October 17th before and after school in the breezeway for $30. If you purchase a ticket and cannot attend the new date, please see Mr. Mocherman in room 5344 by Thursday, October 13th for a refund. Refunds will no longer be offered after October 13th. Current National English Honor Society members, we will have a brief meeting after school on Wednesday, October 12th in room 5327. New member applications will be due on Monday, October 17th. Please return membership applications to Mrs. Lages in 5317. Miami-Dade County Public Schools College Month will include a town hall with the 12 Florida State University Systems Admissions Directors on a webinar for families titled, "The State University System, Your College Adventure Awaits." Miami-Dade has offered this service to our students and families in Sarasota County. This webinar is a tour for students and parents, and it is open to all families across the state of Florida. This event will take place Wednesday, October 12th from 6:30 to 8 p.m. This is a free event. Please scan the QR code for more information. The PSAT will not be given next week. The Landing is working with College Board to see if they can move testing to Tuesday, October 25th. Yes. We will inform everyone as soon as we know. We also had to halt the retake testing before it was completing. We are waiting to hear about the landings about the new state's testing plan. Attention RHS staff and students. This link is for the purchase of Ram Spirit Wear. These items will arrive before the holiday season. The fundraiser goes on until October 29th, 2022. Proceeds go to the softball clubs and RHS Girls Softball for items such as uniforms, facility upgrades, and team functions, so please consider buying some merchandise. Today's trivia question was, who is Goofy's son? And the answer is Max Goof. Well, that's all for today, Rams. Don't forget to be respectful, stay safe, and have a great day. Jason out.